Good morning, Arizona. I am out here doing an open house. I'm at 25658 North 107th Lane in Peoria, Arizona. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath at 1,776 square feet. Believe it or not, this beautiful home was built in 2013. Taxes on this, are you guys ready? $21.62 for the year, so super affordable. This has a super long driveway. Check that bad boy out. Pretty nice, pretty nice. HOA on this home is only about $60 a month. Property just hit the market a couple days ago. It is priced at $504,900. So it's a great little home. Street that we're on right here. So we do have some apartment complexes over there, but they're more high end, so super clean and nice. They even have garage space. Haven't had a lot of traffic down in this area, just normal street traffic that you would expect in this area. We are in Happy Valley Road and Lake Pleasant Parkway. So right here, right before we enter, check out this entry. That's a gorgeous door right there. So it's a nice metal safety door. And look at this wreath. So cute. Awesome. So let's go in and check this beautiful home out. As you'll see through this property, this beautiful tile right here is throughout. It's kind of a grayish tone tile. So it has a little bit of a modern feel to it. Super cozy home. I don't even know where to start. I think we're gonna zoom this way. So right here we have a pretty open kitchen concept. We have quartz countertops in the kitchen. They are beautiful and a nice backsplash. You have a deep sink there and filtered water, which is great. Are you ready for this? Do, 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 boo, boo. Check out the space there. Bet you weren't expecting that. Just messing around. So we have wonderful stainless steel appliances. There is gas at the property. So in Arizona, there is some neighborhoods that don't have gas and others that do. There's so many upgrades here. All right, let's back this up a little bit. So open floor plan. So when you go to the right here, that's going to lead you over to the bedrooms. And when you come to the right here, that's leading you out the front door. And behind you is the living space. So that's kind of the flow of the home. This door right here is the garage. We're going to do a very quick look. Remember, they are moving, they are packing. Bada bing, bada boom. Woohoo! So it's a little cluttered with stuff that they're moving, so I don't really want to showcase that, but it's a great garage, great space in there. They have a door to the side yard, so it's pretty easy to get your garbage in and out. And I'm showing you right now, these right here, these are plantation shutters. They're absolutely amazing. So you can shut either just the bottoms and leave the tops, or shut both. I have these in my home, so it's great when you want to leave town, or if it's 120 out and you just want to stay as cool as possible. Sometimes just shutting up those blinds will help a little bit. And they do have them throughout the living spaces, which is wonderful. They have stainless steel fan here over here. It's kind of a tongue twister. Got some recessed lighting throughout. And the kitchen is just so roomy. Check this out right here, plenty of space. So if you're entertaining, you're gonna have a great area to have guests over. And you have a pantry right here, which is awesome. Super organized. Here, we're gonna come this way. So I'm gonna bring you out to the living space first, where you're gonna spend most of your time. So that's your front door. And this is your entry. We're gonna head in this way, and they have it set up as a formal dining space here. I've seen this area set up many ways. I've had clients that have put a countertop there and did more of a breakfast nook. I've had others that made this a living, like sitting area for a library. Office space can work. So yeah, it's one of those areas that you can kind of do your own thing, whatever fits your needs. And then we have this wonderful living room, and it's pretty deep. It's trying to get the spacing over here for you. They have a very large sectional right there. Another large piece of furniture over here, and we just have space for days for walking, talking, entertaining, moving. So it's a great flow. You're definitely not going to feel tight in here. Again, this home is almost 1,800 square feet. So, and it's only a 3-bedroom. So the 1,800 square feet is spread out pretty well. Well, that's just my opinion. But yeah, we'll walk on this way. So we have the bedroom corridor, and the master primary is that way. Secondaries are this way. So we're gonna head over here. This is the master bedroom. Again, they have a king size bed in here, pretty large bedroom furniture, and lots of space. You do have a view of the pool from your bedroom, which is wonderful. Again, this is pretty good space right here. And we're gonna move this way, and you have a nice walk-in closet. You have enough space in this closet to definitely add some more shelves if needed, or more racks, or that could possibly be enough space for you right there. We'll check out the shower in here. So you have a beautiful tiled shower. You did a wonderful job. And some more storage. So that's the one thing about this property. There is a lot of storage. Lots of storage. You have your throne. And double sinks, which is great. So it's a pretty tall double sink, which is wonderful. I've been in homes before, and sometimes the sinks are a little low, which is something you never think to look at until you see it. So we're gonna go down this way. And again, this is a taller sink, which is nice. You do have space up there. So, I mean, contact a plumber or handyman. See if you possibly could add another sink there if needed. They did do tile in their shower right in here. So you have a tub shower combo, tile to the ceiling, which is my favorite. I don't know, I just have a thing when the tile goes up to the ceiling. I think it just finishes it. And again, this tile is throughout the whole home. So pretty easy maintenance. You get one of those robot vacuums. They would just zoom through the house. A nice wet mop works great in here. If you have pets, easy cleanup. And this is one of the other bedrooms. Again, it's great size. It looks like they have a full-size bed in this room. Pretty well spaced. They got a good amount of furniture in here. And tile is again throughout the whole home, which is wonderful in my opinion. And this one right here is another bedroom. They have 2 beds in here, 2 twins. Lots of space in between. Again, the house is in great condition, paint's in good condition. It's ready for us to close on this home and give you the keys. We have the laundry room right here off the kitchen, which is pretty nice. And in this home right here, before I forget to tell you, it looks like the sellers are leaving the washer and dryer. So let's take a look at your new appliances. They are LG and in good condition. And in this bad boy kitchen, you do get the Bosch dishwasher. Bosch, if you don't know it, get to know it. It is one of my favorite dishwashers. I gotta learn to speak a little better there, but it's one of my favorite dishwashers. They're super quiet, super efficient. LG is another great brand, and that's what they have on their stove and their microwave, which is wonderful. And you get a Samsung fridge with a water dispenser. So awesome. So just went through this kitchen here. Now we're gonna take you to the hot spot. The most beautiful thing you're gonna see today, in my opinion, is this backyard. Why I'm saying that is because it has everything you need, enough covered patio space, enough green space if you have pets, and an easy maintenance pool, easy maintenance backyard. So let's check this out. As I get older, I'm learning that easier the maintenance, the better. So it appears you only have single-story homes around you, which is wonderful. Get lots of privacy this way. And check out this backyard right here. Again, easy maintenance. Pavers right here. Everything's pretty well done. This whole back patio right here is covered in, it's like an aluma wood. So what's cool about this is it looks like wood, but it's just kind of like a vinyl-y type covering that you can get done back here in Arizona. So it's easy to clean. It definitely wears well. We do, there's rumors we have hot summers, so it's a little better in the summer with the heat. And again, check this out. Homeowners didn't spare any expense. They did pavers throughout the whole backyard. And they did some travertine around the pool, which looks wonderful. And you have a PebbleTech pool right here with the fountain. Again, it's done pretty well. Check out the side yard. Everything is low maintenance, easy to clean, easy to take care of. That's your garage door down here. I'll take a quick walk down so you can check it out. This home, are you ready? It's kind of like a unicorn. We have gutters. There are gutters on this home. That is pretty awesome. Originally from Massachusetts, gutters normally come with a home. In Arizona, you don't really see that a lot. So it's nice when the homes have it. Even though it doesn't rain a lot out here, we do get rain. So when it does rain, sometimes it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough rain. So having those gutters will keep the water away from the property. And that is the whole goal. So they did a pretty cool step up right here to the garage door. Come on this way. Again, lots of privacy. It's super quiet out here except for me talking as usual. But as you see, it's pretty move-in ready. It's a great home. Again, it's priced at $5,049. If you're looking up in that Happy Valley area in Peoria, Arizona, I would love to show you this home. Reach on out, hit the subscribe button, like and comment. I would love to see what your thoughts are. Let me know what your favorite feature of the home was. Was it the pool or was it that marvelous kitchen? I mean, there's a lot of space in there. Keep me posted what your thoughts are, what your opinion is on price. I'd love to hear from you. Have an awesome day, everyone.